Hello everyone, Amit Aura from EcoVisioneer. Continuing with the most expected questions of Business Studies Class 12th. Today we have Chapter 3, that is Business Environment. I hope you have watched the other two chapters, Nature and Significance of Management and Principles of Management videos. I would request again students and teachers to kindly subscribe the channel, and if you like it, please share with your friends too. Before we move on to the questions, I would like to show you the syllabus to be covered in this chapter. We just have to do the concept of business environment, in which we will also cover the characteristics, features. Second, we have to cover the importance of understanding business environment and the 5 dimensions of business environment. Only 3 topics to be covered, so mostly the questions will be asked from these 3 topics. So sample paper में भी ऐसा था कि the most of the questions were from the dimensions of business environment. So let us move to the important questions, students. The first question says, which of the following is not a part of specific force of the business environment? So this is a question based on features of business environment. So specific force से कौन सा लिंक नहीं है? Competitors हमारी specific forces हैं environment की, suppliers हमारी specific forces हैं, investors हमारी specific forces है. तो कौन सी हमारी journal force है? That is society. So the option is C, that is society. Coming to another question based on characteristics or features of business environment. Environment is a dash phenomena that is relatively easier to understand in parts but difficult to understand in totality. Relative, dynamic, interrelated or complex? Of course the answer is complex because it is very difficult to understand environment in totality. So the answer is complex. Coming to third question based on the components or dimensions. Which of the following is not a component of economic environment of business? Interest rate बिल्कुल economic है, inflation rates economic, literacy rates social, rate of saving and investment economic. So which is not economic? Literacy rate is not economic, it is a social dimension. Coming to the next question, students. Which of the following does not highlight the importance of understanding business environment? The topic here is importance. So business environment helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signals. True. It enables the firm to identify opportunities and get the first mover advantage. Yes. It helps in eliminating the competition. No. It helps in tapping useful resources. Yes. So the correct option is C. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता कि business environment को जानने से हम competition को ही eliminate कर देंगे. So that is the wrong option. Next question we have, Delhi government imposes ban on usage, storage and sale of plastic bags after considering its negative impact on the environment. Dash environment is highlighted in the given statement. Of course, when there is orders for ban or किसी law के अंदर कुछ किया जाए, so that is legal. So very easy, the answer is legal. Before we move on to question number 6, students, I would like to remind you that EcoVisioneer is organizing a mock board exam on 7th of December 2021. You can just download the EcoVisioneer app and just buy this exam for ₹50. You will be able to test yourself where you stand a day before the board exam. I hope when you attempt that exam, you will get the confidence of getting good marks in boards, or you will be performing better in your board exam on 8th of December. So you can go for this exam. Continuing with the question number 6, we have identify the wrong combination. Economic environment changing in domestic income. Yes, it's a part of economic environment. Social environment change in role of women. It is also correct. Political environment orders issued by Supreme Court. No. Technological environment online payment of air tickets. Yes. Why order issued by Supreme Court is not a political environment? Because it is legal environment. जब भी कोर्ट कोई लॉ कोर्ट किसी भी लॉ के अंडर कोई ऑर्डर इशू करता है तो वो बिजनेस के लिए एक लीगल एनवायरनमेंट की तरह माना जाता है. कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, द सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक जायंट्स पेप्सी एंड कोक suffered a decline in sales in colas in India in the beginning of year 2006 after environment group CAC claimed to have found pesticides in the drink 50 times the permissible limit. these companies could not even think that this change in environment will lead to such a heavy decline in sales. It proved that business environment is dash and dash. इतना बड़ा नुकसान वो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे. तो क्या इसमें स्पेसिफिक वो जर्नल आएगा, क्या अनसर्टन एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स आएगा, रिलेटिव और डायनेमिक आएगा, इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल आएगा? अगेन द क्वेश्चन इज लिंक्ड टू फीचर्स ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. सो दे नेवर रियलाइज कि इतना बड़ा अनसर्टेनिटी और कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट में होती है. सो द आंसर इज बी. कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Express Tour Limited is a travel agency which books air tickets on commission basis. It takes 2 days for Express Tours to get the tickets from the airport reservation counter and deliver to the customers. During the last 1 year, there has been drastic decrease in their business as most of the customers have shifted to Shiva Tours and Travels, which provides tickets in half an hour through internet. The important dimension जो Express Tours overlook कर रहा है, वो अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी को चेंज नहीं कर रहा है. So therefore the right answer is not social, not political, not economic, but technological. क्योंकि उसने टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ चेंज नहीं किया, इंटरनेट को यूज नहीं किया टिकट्स देने के लिए. So that is why he has failed and his sales are going down. So answer is technological. Since environment is the source of both opportunities and threats for a business enterprise, its understanding and analysis can be the basis for deciding the future course of action. So main काम है, main lines है यहाँ पे. Analysis can be basis for deciding the future course of action. Identify the significance of management. क्या ये coping with rapid changes है? No. Getting the first mover advantage है? No. Identifying threats and early warning signals? No. Assisting in planning and policy making? True. क्योंकि future course of action is planning. So it assists in planning and policy making. So answer is D. Coming to the most important question of today, match the following. हमें ये situations को environment के साथ match करना है. तो मैं आपको सीधा I'll be matching directly the question for you. Banks reducing interest rate on housing loans is very much economic. An increasing number of working women is very much social. Booking of air tickets through internet, we just saw, it is technological. Alcohol beverages are prohibited to be advertised on Doordarshan or any channel for that sake. It is legal. A stable government has built up the confidence among the firms to invest in big projects. That is political. So a very important question. Next extra question we have for students, and I always request you to write the answers in the comment sections. So the first question which you can attempt in the comment section: which environment prohibits the advertisement of alcohol beverages? Social, technological, political, or legal? And another extra question we have: which of the following is not an aspect of social environment? Demographic trends, age composition, rituals, or ruling party's attitude. इसमें से कौन सा social environment का aspect नहीं है? And student, as your first term gets over, you will be preparing for your second term. So EcoVisionary is starting their batches for online coaching for term 2 of economics, business studies, and political science. If any one of you wants to join us, you can contact us on the given number. All the best. Take care.